Hello student, this is the next problem on curve fitting. Fit a parabola. Okay, first problem we have solved, that is fit a straight line. Now it is parabola. The parabola is y is equal to a plus bx plus cx square. For the data, okay, datas are given x and y. Okay, so number of datas in x and y are 1 2 3 4 5. So n is equal to 5. Okay, important problem from the model question paper also. Now normal equation associated with y is equal to this parabolas are, first of all we have to construct this type of a normal equation for the given equation. Here given equation is parabola. Okay, see, y is equal to a plus bx plus cx square. Now for this we have to take a summation y equal to a. Okay, we have to find the value of a and b, right? A and b are the parameters. So for this a we have to multiply by n. Okay, plus we cannot take summation for this a because we are finding the value of a. Okay, so plus then bx is there, so b is parameter, so then summation x plus c into summation x square, right? Now for this equation multiply by x, so it will be summation of xy equal to, okay, now remove this n, a into summation of x plus b into summation of x square, see, multiply by x, here see as it is summation of x cube. Now third equation will be, here again multiply this by x square, x, summation of x square y. Okay, a as it is, summation of x, when you multiply by x, x square, b into summation of x cube plus c into summation of x raised to 4. So you can see the step here, in the first step x square, then x cube, then x raised to 4. Okay, this way we have to construct a normal equation using a given parabola equation. Okay, so now we need to construct a table. Okay, first two groups x and y variables. Okay, then multiplication of xy. Okay, we need xy here, right? Then we need x square y also, so x square y. Then next table will be x square. Okay, then next table will be x cube, then x cube is there, then x raised to 4. So this way we have to construct a table. Next is xy is 0 into 1. Okay, 1 into 1.8, 2 into 1.3, so that is equal to 2.6. now x square, how to find x square y? First we have to construct a table x square. So x square is 0, so 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. Okay, now x square into this y, so 0 into 0, 1, that is 0, 1 into 1.8, that is 1.8, 4 into 1.3, 5.2, 9 into 2.5, 22.5, 16 into 6.3, 100.8. so all the data summation we have to find. Then x cube, so cube the first group, that is 0 cube, 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, and all the entries write down in this x cube column. Then x raised to 4. Okay, then x raised to 4. Otherwise you can do one thing, this is x cube. Okay, if you multiply 0 to x, you will get x raised to 4. Okay, if you don't know to find 1 raised to 4, 2 raised to 4, 3 raised to, if there are big numbers in this, so this is the one more way. Okay, so x cube into this x, you will get x raised to 4. Otherwise directly you can solve, that is 0 raised to 4, 1 raised to 4, 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 4 is very easy to find, that is 16, 3 raised to 4, 81. Okay, next is find all the summation. Okay, then this value we have to substitute in this 3 equation. Now summation of y, we got 12 point, normal equation are, okay, 5a plus 10b. 10 means here that is equal to number of entries. See here 5a, so n into a, n means what, 5, a is as it is, plus b into summation of x we got 10b, plus c into summation of x square we got here 30, so 30c is equal to, so this I have written here, that is summation of y 12.9. Now second equation, summation of xy, see that is summation of xy 37.1, a into summation of x 10a, sorry, b into summation of x square 30b, then c into summation of x cube 100c, that is 37.1. okay, then summation of x square y 130.3, okay, that is 3. Next a into summation of x square 30a, then b into summation of x cube, that is 100b, x raised to 4 is 354. So solve this using a calculator and you will get the values of a, b, c, and that value you have to put in this normal equation of parabola. A is we got 1.42 and minus value of b we got, that is 1.07, okay, and c we got 0.55 x square. So this way you have to solve the curve fitting equation.